Hey everybody, it's Alana and I'm so excited to share with you my experience at my first ISTE. So first up, we've got Michelle sharing why she uses Quizizz. And this was so cool to hear from community members why they use Quizizz and the impact that it makes at their schools. Then we have our fabulous AI photo booth, and this was so much fun to use with teachers and educators to show them their superhero self. And let's be real, we all know that teachers are true superheroes. So it was great to be able to take those pictures and to see themselves transformed into the heroes that they are. Oh, next up, that's me. I am presenting, and this was just such a surreal experience to be able to share with teachers Quizizz and the amazing things that you can do with Quizizz. So especially it being my first ISTE, to be able to share that was so awesome. And I'm definitely looking like I am having the best time ever, the time of my life. Next up here, we have Ken and Dee, who did a fabulous book signing with us. This was so awesome. I don't know about you guys, but I don't know that many authors in real life. So to be able to meet them in person and to get a book and to get my book signed was such a cool experience. And it was just so fabulous having them at the booth, talking about their book and connecting with educators. Their book is The Promises and Perils of AI in Education. I got my own copy. I already started reading it, and it is awesome. So you definitely want to check it out if you have not already. Oh, and here we have Kyle presenting on the Google stage. This was so cool to see. Kyle shared Quizizz up on the stage. I think I'm in the front row somewhere. But yep, there's me with my hand up, of course, that sounds about right. But that was really cool to see, and he did an awesome job. We also were giving out stickers to everybody. You can't pass on those Quizizz stickers because they're just so fabulous. And now we're back at that AI photo booth because it was just so much fun. I actually didn't get my picture taken, but I know that at the next conference, I definitely have to. And here we have some other team members sharing Quizizz, which was so great to see all of us up here sharing, the different features of Quizizz and how to use them and what they mean to each of us. So we really all had a great time. Loved my first ISTE, and thanks so much for listening in. Have a good one, guys.